Hi, I'm Lauren, and honestly, life has been so hectic recently, I feel like my cup is beyond empty. So today I'm choosing me, and I'm doing things that make me happy, I'm getting out of the house, and I'm ultimately getting out of this funk. So come along and let's spend the day together. Good morning. So today is a me day because I've been overwhelmed. My cup is beyond empty. And I just need to put myself first and have a me day, doing everything that I want to do and not having sort of any responsibility, which I'm grateful that I can somewhat say that. Obviously, I have a dog, but his uncle's here, so I'm gonna ask his uncle to take care of him. But I have been in a bit of a funk, and it has also, life has just been so busy recently. It's the holiday season, that sounds about right, but I need to do something to get myself out of this funk. I don't want to cook. It's hard for me to clean up and just like getting out of the house. I work from home, so I'm home all day, every day, and it's just driving me a little crazy. So I've decided today I'm putting myself first and I'm doing every and anything that I want to do. So I'm getting myself together, I'm taking my time. I'm gonna go get brunch at this new brunch spot in Central Phoenix, or like Midtown. Although I did hear that the line is out of the door and around the corner, which for a second gave me a little anxiety because I'm like, great, what if they run out of food or whatever? But this is supposed to be a me day, recentering and just coming back into myself. So the Lord will take care of that. I'm not gonna stress. When I get there is when I get there. Whatever they have available is what they have available. And I'm gonna have an amazing time. So I don't want to spoil everything else we're gonna do today because I also, again, kind of want the Lord to guide me, but I have a rough plan of what I want to do. Let's just get started with this relaxing me day, recentering, sort of finding myself again and finding joy. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm finally ready for the day. I did just a little natural makeup, nothing too cray. And the hair is back to being short again. I had to switch my hair out because I literally had to throw away that other hair because it was getting matted and tangled in the back, and I don't have time for that. So I do like the short, but I was really liking the longer, so I'm gonna have to get another one. But we'll do that at a later time. This is still cute. So let me show you my outfit and then let's head to Sophia's and hope that this line isn't too long. But regardless, we'll wait. But I'm getting hangry, so we need to leave in literally 5 seconds. So let's do that. So this is my outfit of the day. I feel happy in this outfit. It just makes me feel like I'm going out and having like a true day instead of just wearing like some athleisure. This skirt is from Free People. This ribbed tank is from Garage. This bag is unknown. I can probably do some more digging inside of it to see where it's from, but I got it from Buffalo Exchange. My favorite sunglasses, I love this shape. I would love to get these in brown in this same shape, but I got these from Buffalo Exchange as well. I don't know which shoes to wear though, because the dress does sort of like drag on the ground a little bit, so I don't know if I want to do a boot or just do a flat, and that's the vibe. It just kind of drags, so we shall see. But let's go. Fixing my lip combo, and I ate and I drank, and my lip stain lip liner stayed on. And honestly, I wasn't really feeling the whole I've been looking for this liner. How ironic, I'm literally talking about this lip stain because I couldn't find my liner. But I finally understand the whole lip stain liner of it all because it's still on. Like, I ate and it's still on. Wow, and I found my liner too because I have been looking for it. But I'm just fixing my lip combo and then it's off to the museum, which I could go home. It's 1 o'clock and like that was so far a great day, but we're not done. We're going to a museum, not sure what. So let's see what I was about to say airport, Lord. Let's see what the library has in store. Okay. Ah! in one of the exhibits, and obviously, like, usually you can't touch art when you're at the museum, but you can crank these and it makes it move. So look at this, it's actually really cool. It's art itself, but then it's like the movement brings it to life. I'm having such a great time. This has been so nice. This is your sign to do a me day. I'm honestly gonna make it a me weekend at this point. There's something about going out and just being by yourself and exploring and not having to talk or just being within. And I'm really enjoying myself. Okay, so I got my bike lock. I had the most amazing me day. I did everything that I wanted to do. Excuse that noise in the background. Mom, if you're watching this, that toy is about to go missing very soon. But I was in Target, and for my Christmas gift to myself, I wanted to get a nice yoga mat, because the one I have is from Marshall's, and like it's fine, but I've slipped and almost hurt myself in class. So I found like a non-slip, grippy, beautiful tone mat. But tomorrow I want to ride my bike to the gym. That's why I got my bike lock. But I'm like, how am I gonna get my yoga mat to the gym? So I found this bag in our closet, and I think this should work. Now I'm being a little biker girl. I can, period. Just clip that on. Period. And ride my bike. Okay, period. I'll show you more of the mat, but not me being literally a biker girl. This is so cute. Kane. No more. I'm gonna walk in there to my normal spot in the left side of the studio. Oh, this is nice. Okay. Let's go to Warrior 2. Okay, you're like kind of in the way. Bobby, Mama's new mat. This is nice. Okay. Okay, time to make dinner. And this is not technically a part of my me day. This is simply a necessity, and I don't feel like eating out. We've eaten out so much these past like 2 weeks, so I'm gonna cook. But I'm gonna cook something that I love and that is fairly simple. Some chicken tinga tostadas. But don't come for me because I don't have any chipotle peppers and adobo. So we're making a shake with what we have. So a play. Caney bub. No thank you. So a play on chicken tinga. Okay, thank you. We have some red wine. Although I honestly don't like my wine chilled, but I just got it out the fridge. Drink some wine. I'm gonna turn on MasterChef to gain some inspiration of just being my own little chef in the kitchen. And we're gonna get dinner started. I want to be at least fully done cooking for the most part within an hour. It's 5:13. I don't know how they do it on MasterChef. Like, how are you whipping up a meal in 30 minutes? They're just like, I'm like moseying along, an hour and a half later. So I don't want to be in the kitchen long. Let's do this quick and fast. So cheers. I'm about to clean up, which is also not a part of my me day, but it's fine because I made a fire meal. I'll have to show you when I make Khalil's plate because I forgot to record. I was so hungry and focused and talking to Ayani Wani that I forgot to show y'all, but they came out beautifully. What I learned from today was, one, not getting ahead of myself, because like I said earlier, when Ahmad had told me that he saw that the line for Sophia's was out the door and around the corner, for a second I felt anxious and like, okay, I need to hurry up. I need to get out the house so I can get there. They might be sold out. Like, I'm jumping to conclusions for so many things instead of if it's meant for me, it's meant for me. Whatever is on the menu, whatever they have available will be meant for me. So I switched my mindset real quick and I took my time still. I said I want to get out of the house at 11 because often I wake up early and I'm doing a bunch of things and I don't just take time to just like linger and enjoy the morning, and I wanted to do that and I did that and it felt so nice. Also, I would just say like feeling so much gratitude to be able to have a me day. Like all I got is this dog running around. I don't have little children running around to where like, I'm sure you can still have a me day, but not just on a whim like how I did. So just really grateful to have had that time to just like put me first. I'm putting myself first, Lucius, because it's been a busy year, let alone like a busy few weeks. I was sick and then it was Shark Week and then we're going to see family. Like working, that can take a toll. So I'm just feeling like so happy and I'm so glad I did this. And I even found myself like, I forgot to vacuum and mop the floors. I can do that tomorrow. Again, this is my me day. Granted, it's gonna be a me weekend, but tomorrow I do have to kind of get back to some of my responsibilities. But I can do that tomorrow. I do not need to do it tonight. So I'm gonna clean up this food. I'm gonna take a shower, put on my PJs, and we're gonna sit down on this couch, finish this wine, have some cupcakes. Look at these cupcakes Ahmed brought home. Like how beautiful are they? And they are good. This one here I had the last time when we went to Peñasco. We took them with us. Fire. So I'm excited to have that one. I don't want to make them fall, but whatever that one is down there. Oh, it kind of smells a little funny. What is that? Why they got star anise on here? Good morning. It's Sunday morning and my me weekend continues. So I'm about to head to my little warrior sculpt class. I love this class and I haven't taken it in like a month. So wish me luck, because the first time I took it, it really whipped me into shape, but I felt good. So I'm excited to push myself. That's something I've been doing each class, is like mind over matter, faith over fear. Push yourself. You can do it. It's hard and you can do hard things. So I'm really excited. I'm not riding my bike. Me and Claire are going to the gym together. I'll have to ride my bike later today at the park. But I'm excited to have a great day. So let me show you my little outfit because it is so cute. I think this is the cutest outfit I put together thus far to go to my little workout classes. I'm about to leave the house. I'm gonna stop by Buffalo Exchange because I have some clothes in my closet I know I just haven't been wearing, and I want to see if I can get some store credit and get some new clothes to fill my closet with that I'll actually wear and like.